Wala imong iskuhan mo dikit na ron. Wala. So, how can you remove that from the How can you remove? Oh, how can you remove this one? Na, dikit naman ah. Hello, saban kan daddy.
Na pagiging patrabaho.
Unsa man? Nagidikit na yung junction box diri oh. Ang usay tawag kanina? Ngislit. Sabon ko ron. Sige, you remove that if you know. You remove that.
May dong reverse dong. Reverse. Reverse the screw dong.
Di ka tigo bilang ka.
Reverse dili ano? Daw, forward. Hey, forward. Listen. Forward, reverse din no? Reverse. Tangkang. No. No.